A couple of days ago, I had an idea for a project. I think it might be interesting, but I don't know how it would turn out. It's one of those things where you kind of experiment as you go along and it either comes together or it doesn't. And I want to test it out today. It's a diptych, so two pieces that kind of go together, and it involves matte medium and a poetry book. Whatever you see me do with this poetry book, don't worry. I have multiple copies of this book. I don't want to tell you exactly what I'm going to be doing, just to leave you the surprise. I hope it comes together. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm gonna get to work and we'll talk about it right after. Okay. Okay, I did a good chunk of the project. Things are going in a good direction. It's pretty much what I had in mind. I hope you enjoyed what I was doing. Right now, I feel like I have to take a step back and stop for today, just because some things have to dry, and also I really want to let it simmer a little bit and come back to it tomorrow with a fresh eye to know what are the best choices to go from here. I know what I want to do, but there's textures involved, there's colors, there's different possibilities. I'm not going to tell you everything, but let's take a look at what we have so far. Here are the two pieces together. So let's take a look at this one first. I really enjoy this texture that I got here, and I very much like the background color and texture as well. And this is coming along well. Here I wasn't too sure about the white. I started with magenta and then I changed my mind. So the white I'm unsure about, but this background I'm totally in love with. I think it's beautiful and I really love it. I feel like it's pretty much obvious what I'm doing right now or what I'll be doing next. Is it? Have you guessed it? If you did, let me know in the comments. We could talk about it there. So I have a few ideas on how to finish it, but everything is not fully matured yet. I'm gonna have to sleep on it. I hope they turn out really well. Tomorrow is the last day of the 30-day challenge. It went by super fast. I can't even think about it right now. We'll talk about that tomorrow. So tomorrow I will finish those two pieces, have a big grand recap, and we'll catch up. So let me know in the comments if you guessed what I'm doing and if you like the direction I'm going into and if you have one favorite over the other. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you tomorrow.